this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your PlayStation 5 video clips to your Android phone. This is very easy to do. So we just want to get the PlayStation app, and most people probably already have this, but it's PlayStation app right here in the Google Play Store. Just type in that. And this has about 100 million downloads already, so I'm assuming like most people already have this. So we can open it up. Now you want to go on over to your game library. Then you want to go to captures. And this is where you probably have an issue. So everything you uploaded within the last 14 days, if it's under 3 minutes, should automatically be uploaded here. So I'm just going to enable this right here. Then on my PlayStation, it's going to actually upload these now. So you have to go to the media gallery now, press options on the video clip you want to upload, and there will be an option now to upload it to the app, and you can find it right here. You can download it, you can watch it, and I have to do that since I just turned this on and start uploading my other apps. Just make sure your PlayStation 5 is in rest mode so it can upload these, and you should be good to go. And you can also turn on your PlayStation 5 from here. If you go to the game library, you can start launching games and stuff. So just look at this, get this app. It's great. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.